Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have the Tudia merge for the Google Pixel 4a to review. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so you decided to pick up the Pixel 4a and you're looking for a case for it. Look no further. In this video, I'm gonna review the Tudia merge case for my Pixel 4a. Yes, I wanna shout out Tudia for actually sending this case to me for a review. Tudia merge. Nice packaging from Tudia. Look, I love how they have their layout on their packaging, which I think, look, connect with them. Follow them on their social media websites. They're always giving away cases too. You could even join their newsletter by, emailing them there. But we definitely will see how the case fits. Does it add bulk and the overall feel of the case? You can get this case from Amazon. I will have the link in the description. All right, so let's get into it. Nice packaging, like I said earlier. I love how they make this easier to pull down. Or you can open it from the top too if you wanted to, by pulling it there. But nice little case from Tudia. Look, branding in the inside, merge, design in the US. Yes, you have grip on the back. I love how they make this hard plastic. Then you have your TPU case on the sides. Yes, you have a little branding there too. Tudia. I love the grip. That gives you the extra grip so it feels, like not like you're gonna slip out of your hands, like the phone will slip down. Let's see how it fits into this. Man, okay, nice and snug. All right, test out the fit first. Man, there's no play there. That's actually really good. Do you get any type of lip action? You get a little bit. Also, camera protection, yes. And look at that leeway into the fingerprint scanner. See that? That actually looks good too. Power button and the volume rockers there. Everything lines up at the bottom. Also on the top. Power button's easy to get to and, well, feels good. And then the fingerprint scanner is easy to get to. Volume rockers seem good and responsive, so that's always a good thing too. And look, the case does not add much bulk to your phone. This does not add much to it. Does it add a little bit? Yes, I mean, it's a case, but it's not like a heavy duty case where it makes the phone a lot heavier than anything else. Black and green, that looks really good too. So what y'all think about this Tudia merge case? Shout out to Tudia for sending this out to me for a review, like I said earlier. But Tudia, it has been improving on the cases, making more cases for different types of phones. And this is the merge. So if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description, so that way you can pick it up from Amazon. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet for more coverage on the Pixel 4a. Also, more case reviews coming up soon. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.